If you've been searching for high quality mascot illustrations, then your search is over because I'm going to show you how easy it is to do yourself with our mascot builder right in Kittl. So here we are in the Kittl editor. All I have to do is click on elements, and then what I'm going to do is click on the illustrations panel. Now you could search up top for mascot, but I'm going to show you the entire category. So if I scroll down here just a little ways, you can see all these amazing illustration categories. We have one right here called mascot. So I'm going to hit show all, and I'm going to expand this menu and look at all of these different mascots. We have these little hands here. We also have all of them that are pre-built right there. You can see things like flowers, rainbows, all that kind of stuff. But then we also have whole arms and hands and phrases and expressions. We have legs here we can click on. Maybe we'll add a couple to see what we like. We have different eyes that we could use. We also have full faces. Maybe I'll add this one and I'll find a facial expression like this smile to go along with it. And we can just keep on going to figure out exactly what we want to do. But let me go ahead and start to put this together. So we have our eyes here, then we have our face, and look at this. If I just make it all the right size, it's already starting to come together with almost no shape at all. So let me go ahead and put these hands where I think they could go. There's a left hand, here's a right hand. Maybe we get rid of this one right here, bring this over to the center, and I think the center legs are going to work best. Put those right here, and boom, before you know it, quickly, we already have the makings of a mascot illustration. Now let's go over to elements and let's type in something like, I don't know, lime. Maybe we're going to go with like a fruit mascot or something like that. And maybe it takes a little bit to find exactly one that you like. I'll try out this one. Maybe not the best since it has those kind of cuts on the left and right, but I do like the thickness of this lime. So, you know, maybe we could make it work where we could work on tweaking it or getting a different kind of one. But that's really cool, right? In just a matter of seconds, basically a minute and 30 seconds, we can have a full mascot. Now let's do something else like maybe basketball. So maybe we're making a basketball mascot logo or something for a recreational team or something. And maybe if we want the eyes to be more prominent, we give it a little stroke here. We make it the color of the orange, and that way it kind of cuts into that basketball. Still maybe not the best. Maybe you'd want to tweak this just a little bit, but you can see here you have a lot of versatility, you have a lot of variability with what you can do. So maybe not the best example, but you get the idea of what you can do. Now let's just find something very flat and basic like a heart. Boom, look at this. Let me go ahead and size this up to be exactly where it needs to be, send it to the back, and you're getting an idea now of how you can easily create mascot with Kittl's illustrations with our mascot builder. Now here on the home page, if I just type in mascot, you can see first search result, mascot t-shirt design, and then I can just peruse from tons of pre-made templates with mascots. You can see here, for example, there's a heart. Then I scroll down, there's an earth right there. There's a peace symbol. We just have so many that are ready for you to edit. You can easily just click into these, change your text, change your colors, do whatever you have to do, and they are ready for you. Now, if you want to see other tutorials using Kittl, I have these videos here on my right that I know you're going to enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos and features and things like that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.